When did virtual reality gear like the Oculus Rift get started?
I'm not sure the exact date, but I know that it came out when I came to college in 2011. It wasn't really being talked about that much, but right now it's everywhere. It seems like every company nowadays is coming out. Every couple of weeks, it seems like another company is coming out with their own virtual reality software or hardware.
What does it do / how does it operate?
It puts you in a 3D stereoscope environment where you are entirely immersed within the game. So if you were to look at a normal computer screen and look away, you would be out of the game. But if the Oculus has two cameras that are put over your eyes, and they're both stereoscopic, they're essentially like a fisheye lens. They're stereoscopically, the game is fed into the cameras, and you can see through that. There's also a gyroscopic sensor, and DK1 is just a sensor in the headset, and the DK2 there's actually a camera. So if you look left in the game, you actually see what's next to you in the game. They also have the camera can also detect how far away or close you are to the camera. So if you lean forward in the game we're currently making for the senior game development, if you lean forward while flying on a jetpack, you'll actually move forward. If you go backwards, you'll be going backwards. It's actually a really cool piece of technology.
I got an offer from Zachary Demo, president of Edinburgh's Gamers Guild and computer science major, to try my own hand at testing out the Oculus Rift. The Oculus Rift technology that I was able to get my hands on was provided by the university to the computer science department. Students like Zach get exclusive access to such technology, and for some classes are required to develop their knowledge on the technology as well as to enhance their own skills programming code for the Oculus and field testing their abilities. Through this experience, I got to experience how that technology works and now understand some of the current challenges facing the advancing industry.
For the senior game development, if you lean forward while flying on a jetpack, you'll actually move forward. If you go backwards, you'll be going backwards. It's actually a really cool piece of technology.
What are the good and the bad things about it?
There's all kinds of good stuff about it. It's a completely unique way to play a game. It's so much more immersive. There are some challenges to developing for it. Since there are two cameras, you can't do what we call graphical user interfaces or GUIs. So if you pause the game and have a start menu, it comes up, and it will just a normal game would be like overlaid over top of the screen. The problem is that since there are two cameras, you can't just put one over the screen. It'll be drawn to both cameras, and that doesn't look good. So any kind of pause screen you're making it, you have to have you have to have it as an object in the game. It's also low res, so if you put in if you were to want to play Skyrim in 1080p, you couldn't do that because it's, I think, at this current level 720, which I could be wrong on, but it spends so much processing power on the gyroscopic and running through cameras that the resolution has to go down a little bit.